Hi everyone, so I've just bought this INNOV K2 dashcam solution for my bike, and I just want to quickly show you how I mounted the cameras. So I have the rear camera here going down to the main, like the box down here, the recorder, and then I mounted it. I drilled a hole here and put a bolt, and then you see the bracket. I put it like this, so this was kind of the best solution I could, best mounting spot I could find, because you want the height, you want it up high as possible, I think, for the video to be any good. And yeah, this was the best that I could come up with. And it's I put it in the side where there is no chain. If you put it on the chain side, which I tried to do first, then you'll get all the chain grease and everything coming up on the camera, and yeah, you probably don't want that. So yeah, I put it on this side, and the front camera is sitting here. They have these holes already in this cowling here, so you just put a bolt through, and then yeah, I have the camera sitting like that. This works great, and the quality of the video is also great. So there's an idea for you.